everybody, Jason Fairchild here with Guaranty RV. Today we're going to take a look at a 2018 used Aspen Trail by Dutchmen. It's a 1930 RD, so we're going to start off going through the interior and we'll finish off going through over the exterior. Follow me inside. So this is a rear dinette trailer. That's what our RD stands for. We've got our dinette back here, and we've got a cool couch across from it. So you've got plenty of places to sit and lots of light and a great view. That's what really makes this trailer and this layout popular. Up above we've got a TV with our media player right here. Nice cabinetry. As we move down through the trailer, we've got a fridge freezer combination here. And I will add, this trailer looks, smells like it's brand new. I mean, I don't see a scratch or a mark on it. So we've got an oven and a 3-burner stove, microwave with a hood combination. Overhead cabinetry here. Nice one large sink with a tall faucet here. We've got a tub shower combination and our toilet, sink, and medicine cabinet in there. Up front we've got the east-west bed. Plenty of room. We've got storage above and some hanging area here. Great little trailer, nice and clean. These previous customers took great care of it. Let's go outside. So this trailer does have an electric awning. It's got the large grab handle, tandem axle, outside speakers, and a motion light outside as well. We've got a full-size bumper and a full-size spare tire. It's pre-wired for a backup camera, so if that's something you want to add, don't hesitate to call and we can talk to you in more detail about that. The tags are good till 2020, so there's some savings there for you folks. Water heater, potable water fill, city water. Back of the fridge. This is your 30 amp power right here. So it just tucks back in there. Outside hot and cold shower. It's got these little gutters up there to keep the water away from the trailer. Oh, that's locked. I apologize, but that's the back of your pass-through storage. Got corner stabilizers on all 4 corners. So folks, that goes over this 2018 Dutchmen Aspen Trail. It's a 1930 RD. If you have any questions on this RV or any of our others, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Again, my name is Jason Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Have a great day.